Hello everybody, my name is Ryan and today we're going to look at the Dynamite Passport Ultra. This is the one with the touchscreen and it can pull up to 10 amps of power. So let's check around the box. It can charge LiPo, Life, lithium ion, nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, and PB batteries. Optional Dynamite accessories. There are the different serial numbers. There's a 5-year warranty on this, and there is a touchscreen. And as I said, 10 amps. So let's crack this guy open and see what we have in the box. One hand and a foot. There we go. Okay, so far, there's just this, and a little peek of the charger right there. So, you definitely want to read this. Tells you all the warnings and how to use the charger. This is just in a different language. There's the charger itself. It's smaller than I thought it would be. But let's take it out. By the way, this charger was $90. So you can see here on the charger, there's the touchscreen, along with banana cables, a balance port, a temperature sensor, a programmable USB port, and a USB port that you can see delivers 2.1 amps. And so, before I do that, see what else is in the box. This is the balance adapter. As you can see, it can charge up to 6S charger. Very nice. It also comes with 3 chargers. It comes with a Dean's plug, an EC3, and I do not know what that is called. But I'm not going to be using that. I will show you what I'll be using later. And there's this really beefy charger. I mean, not charger. What am I? AC plug. There we go. There is an on-off switch on the side. There's a fan here. 2 more fans over here. There's a DC plug that is not included, and heatsink fans on the back. What I am using instead of those banana cables is this. I'm gonna be using that. And so I was charging a battery earlier on my Profit Sport Plus up here. And it stuck to my shoe. There we go. Right, so, yeah, that just plugs right in there. No problem. And then the balance lead. There we go. Kind of a tight fit, but it's new. And so, USB port, and let's go set this up and plug it in. Alright, so I have it all set up here. Take off this plastic. Alright, first boot of the Dynamite Passport Ultra. What? Oh. Just takes a little while. Oh. There are like lights going through that. So that's pretty cool. But as you can see, there's the touch screen. So, yeah. That's all there is right now. pretty good charger. I guess that's what I see right now. And let's see the turn off time. Turn on. Yeah. Alright, that's all it is for me. Thanks for watching. And I'll be sure to let you know more on this charger. See you later.